Hi guys, Andy here. Let's have a look at the DAX. Today is Tuesday, February 27. Time is around 6 p.m. GMT. So here we are looking at the 4-hour chart, and as I explained in my higher time frame analysis last weekend, we had a potential bearish scenario here with an expanded flat structure, but this scenario got invalidated. So actually we are looking up now. So as explained, this can be a wave 3 as shown in green. This can be a wave 4 as shown in green, but at the same time it can be a wave 1 here, and this can be a shallow wave 2 in the higher time frame. For the moment, we do not have enough data yet to make our decision, but for the lower time frame, that does not really matter for the moment. What is important is to start, counting from here. From here, we started a new upward cycle. And for now, it looks like this cycle here is incomplete in the sense that so far I can only count 3 waves, 1, 2, 3, or we are working on this third wave. So I would think that a fourth and a fifth wave is still missing, and this means that we would need more upside to finish the structure right here. So if we then have a closer look, first of all, we reached an area of interest here, or wave 3 area. If we take the length of our wave 1, the length of our wave 2, then we know that our third wave here should end between the 1 and the 1.618 FIB extension. So we are currently now at this area. So it is interesting now to consider the sub waves here. Are we ready for a pullback, or is more upside to come? So therefore we go to the 1 hour time frame. And so here I think we have two potential scenarios. As you can see, if we start counting from here, we could already have 5 waves. So we have a 1, a 2, a 3, a 4, and this could here be our fifth wave, which might still be ongoing. What else do we see? Actually, we see divergence right here, so that would be a plausible fifth wave. And we also see a break of this RSI trend line, so this could be a fourth wave. However, the break is not really deep. Normally what we see is that this fourth wave, if it breaks the RSI trend line, goes deeper, even taking out the wave 2 RSI reading. This is not the case, so therefore this here might also play out, that this here is the 1, the 2, but the high we are seeing here could actually still be our third wave. Then we need a 4 and a 5. So that would mean that this here, the strongest RSI reading was our wave 3 of 3. That could make sense. Then we have something like 1, 2, 3, 4, and then a fifth wave up here to finish this third wave in red. And if this is playing out, then we should look here, assuming that the high was in here, the wave 3 high was in here, then we should look here at this retracement area. So the area between the 0.146 and the 0.618 FIB retracement. So that would be our target then for this fourth wave if the scenario in red is playing out. And then we still need our fifth wave to finish this wave 3. At the same time, like I said, we broke the RSI trend line. We have divergence right here. So that could mean that we have to be a bit cautious in the sense that our third wave could be in right here. And then we might actually be ready for a bigger pullback, a pullback against this invalidation level right here. So I will put both counts on the chart, but to be honest, with this data, it is hard to to choose one, to choose a count that I really prefer. I would like to see a bit more data, but for now I think these are the two most likely scenarios. So one scenario here in green, where the wave 3 was in right here, and then we should see, assuming that the high was in right here, of course we can still have a new marginal high somewhere here. Let's have a look at the 15-minute. But so here in the 1 hour, the high in right here, and then we should make a correction, wave 4 correction against this invalidation level here, this wave 2 low. And then let's have a look at our target for this pullback. So that would be something like this. This is a potential wave 4 area, assuming that our wave 3 is in here, so that this is this count of the subwaves 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, as shown in green. If the count in red is playing out, it means the wave 3 is not in yet. And then we might also be looking for a pullback in case the high was in right here, but then the pullback should be more shallow as a wave 4 here in red. And then actually our invalidation level is here, this wave 2 low. Let me put this in the right color. So this is the invalidation level for this wave 4 pullback. So this was all under the assumption that our high was in right here. Let's have a closer look at the 15-minute. What exactly do we see there? So here in the 15-minute, from the low right here, so here we started a new cycle. Two possibilities. Indeed, we can count here 5 waves up. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, ending with divergence. So it would be a possibility that indeed the high is in right here. At the same time, this is only one impulse. We can never exclude that something like this happens, that of this fifth wave, this was just the wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, something like this. So that would mean that we can have a bit more upside first before having the pullback. And then, of course, if we see some more upside, then we should do a new calculation to find here or areas, the wave 4 pullback in red and the wave 4 pullback in green. So this is what I am seeing right now. If you enjoyed this analysis, please like, subscribe, comment to support my work, and I see you one of the next days for another update on the DAX. Have a nice day. Bye bye.